Hello, Yii developers, welcome back to the Doing It Is channel. In the last lesson, we covered how to give a different layout for a different view. So it is pretty easy. You just say this layout is the particular layout that you want. So you have to create a layout that has the same name that you gave here. So that's not the only thing that you want to do. You want to give this particular layout a different asset files, meaning that you don't want to load the same CSS, JavaScript files that you want to load in the normal main layout. So we are going to create a new layout asset file for our login layout. So let's say login asset, and we change it to login asset, and we'll create another file. Oops, new file, and say as login asset.php, and let's copy what we have here, this file, and we'll change what we want. We'll say that we don't want the JS file to load, and of course we don't want the bootstrap assets to load. We do want the Yii assets because the form because the password and the username cannot be empty works, because we would want the asset for that. We wouldn't want the site. Maybe we don't want that as well. Let's leave that out as well. Namespace missing. Oops. Change the class name for login asset. So that looks ugly, so I'm going to put the site.css back there, and I was wrong. We would want the bootstrap assets. So login assets, refresh, and if we don't have the bootstrap assets, we wouldn't load the bootstrap CSS files. That was stupid of me. Let's remove this just for the fun of it. So now if you go and inspect element, you have loaded jQuery.js, the Yii.js, the Yii validation, and the Activeform scripts. If you look at the header tags, we have the bootstrap.css file that came from this bootstrap asset. Okay, so that is how you give different asset files for different view files. Of course, you can do this to modules as well. For example, we have a settings module which we want to use a separate asset file. So all we have to do is create a separate layout file for that module and give it a separate asset bundle asset file for that. So that's it for today's lesson. In the next tutorial, we are going to do something fun, which is we are going to use the admin LTE, which is an amazing theme that provided by I don't remember the name, by this person. So we are going to use this is the theme. We are going to integrate that into our application, so stay tuned for that. That lesson is coming up very shortly, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Small things that I'm covering. So have fun, take care, and do subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.